guys, welcome to the ranch. I'm Brett Galloway with the Steak Cookoff Association. Today we're making bacon wrapped jalapeños stuffed with cream cheese. Real simple, we cut the jalapeños in half, we add some cream cheese, and then we just wrap this guy in bacon. And that is as hard as it gets. We'll season these, put them on the grill. Want to cook them at a little bit higher temperature so the bacon renders. We'll be ready. Now that we have them seasoned, we're just going to put them on the grill. Going to cook them at a high temp to render that bacon. Should be ready in about 30 minutes. I've got a tip for you here. When I'm cooking at a high heat, I like to put a rack below it to catch the juice, and I can put the jalapeños on top. That way they're not getting too much heat and burning the bottom. It acts as a buffer, and we still get heat all the way around it. So try a foil tray below on top of a rack next time. I think you'll like it. So these have been on about 30 minutes. Look how these look. Having them above on this rack allows them to cook all the way around. I can cook at a higher temp. They're beautiful. I think these are ready.